Along the way back from Lanka, Lord Rama reached the beautiful island of Rameswaram, situated on the southern coast of India. There, he decided to establish a Shiva Lingam and offer his prayers to the Lord. He sent Lord Hanuman to Mount Kailash, the sacred abode of Lord Shiva, to bring a lingam for the ritual. While Lord Hanuman was on his way to Kailash, Lord Rama and Sita began preparing for the worship. Time was of the essence, and Sita, wanting to help, molded a lingam out of the sand on the seashore. The moment the sand lingam was ready, Lord Rama began the rituals to worship Lord Shiva, offering his prayers with deep devotion. Soon Lord Hanuman returned, carrying the lingam from Kailash. But to his dismay, he saw that the sand lingam was already being worshipped by Lord Rama. Lord Hanuman felt disappointed, thinking his journey had been in vain.